Inspirational journey of Priyanka Chopra. From small town girl to global icon, Priyanka Chopra Jonas is a name that resonates across the globe. A powerful actress, singer, film producer, philanthropist, and one of the few Indian celebrities to make a successful transition to Hollywood. Her journey from Bareilly, a small town in India, to international stardom is nothing short of extraordinary. It is a tale of resilience, determination, and the courage to break boundaries, a story that inspires millions of people, especially young women, to dream beyond limitations. Early life, humble beginnings. Born on July 18, 1982, in Jamshedpur, India, Priyanka Chopra came from a modest background. Her parents, Drive. Ashok Chopra and Dr. Madhu Chopra, were both physicians in the Indian Army. Because of their transferable jobs, Priyanka spent her childhood moving from city to city across India. This nomadic lifestyle exposed her to various cultures and taught her adaptability from a young age. Despite being an intelligent and ambitious student, Priyanka faced bullying and racism when she moved to the United States at the age of 13 to live with her aunt. She attended high school in Massachusetts, Iowa, and New York. During this time, she was subjected to racial slurs and felt like an outsider. In interviews, she has shared how deeply these experiences impacted her self-esteem. However, instead of letting this phase break her spirit, Priyanka returned to India, determined to carve out a space for herself. The turning point. Miss World 2000. Everything changed when Priyanka entered the world of beauty pageants. In 2000, at the age of 18, she won the Miss India title and subsequently, the Miss World crown. This victory was a life-altering moment that opened the doors to the Indian film industry. While the glitz and glamour of the title brought fame, it also brought intense scrutiny and sky-high expectations. With no background in acting or formal training, Priyanka stepped into the world of Bollywood, a competitive industry that has historically favored insiders and star children. Her early years were marked by challenges and failures. Some of her initial films flopped at the box office, and she was often typecast in roles that didn't showcase her true potential. Early career struggles. Priyanka faced several setbacks in her early Bollywood career. From being replaced in films to dealing with body shaming and rejection, her journey was far from smooth. At one point, she was even told to undergo plastic surgery to fix her nose and jawline, an incident she has openly discussed in her memoir Unfinished. Despite these pressures, she refused to conform to superficial standards and instead focused on improving her craft. Her breakthrough came with the 2004 film Etraz, where she played a negative role that earned her critical acclaim and a Filmfare Award. This was followed by a series of successful films, including Mujhse Shaadi Karogi, Dawn, and Fashion. Her portrayal of a troubled model in Fashion, 2008, won her the National Film Award for Best Actress, marking her arrival as a serious performer. Reinventing herself. While most actors would have been content with success in Bollywood, Priyanka was hungry for more. She ventured into music and signed a deal with Universal Music Group, releasing singles like In My City and Exotic. Though her music career didn't reach the heights she had hoped, it was a stepping stone that introduced her to global audiences. What truly changed her trajectory was her role in the American TV series Quantico, 2015 to 2018, where she played FBI agent Alex Parrish. Priyanka became the first South Asian woman to headline an American network drama. Her performance earned praise, awards, and global recognition. Suddenly, she was not just a Bollywood star, she was a global force. Hollywood and global recognition. After Quantico, Priyanka's Hollywood career took off. She starred in films like Baywatch, 2017, Isn't It Romantic, 2019, and The Matrix Resurrections, 2021. Her presence on international red carpets, talk shows, and magazine covers made her a household name worldwide. What set Priyanka apart was her ability to represent India on the global stage without losing her cultural identity. She often spoke about her Indian heritage, wore traditional outfits with pride, and promoted Indian designers and artists. Her global appeal came from her authenticity. She was unapologetically herself. Personal challenges and triumphs. Priyanka's personal life has also been a testament to her strength and resilience. In 2018, she married American singer Nick Jonas in a grand ceremony that combined Indian and Western traditions. The couple has since become one of the most celebrated international celebrity pairs. However, Priyanka's life has not been without emotional challenges. She lost her father to cancer in 2013, a loss she describes as one of the most painful periods of her life. She has spoken openly about the depression and grief she experienced, emphasizing the importance of mental health. In early 2022, Priyanka and Nick Jonas welcomed their first child via surrogacy. The baby, Malti Mary, was born prematurely and spent over 100 days in the NICU. This was an emotionally intense time for the couple, but they emerged stronger and more united. Showcasing the power of family and faith during adversity. Breaking barriers and giving back. Priyanka Chopra is not just a celebrity. She is a change maker. She has used her platform to advocate for causes close to her heart. As a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador, she has worked extensively for children's rights, education, and gender equality. She has visited refugee camps, supported girls' education in India, and spoken at global forums like the United Nations and World Economic Forum. She also started her own production company, Purple Pebble Pictures, aimed at promoting regional Indian cinema and giving new talent a chance. The company has produced several critically acclaimed films in regional languages, breaking the Bollywood mold. In 2021, she released her memoir Unfinished, which became a bestseller. In it, she shared not just her achievements but also her vulnerabilities, the moments of self-doubt, the pressures of fame, and the journey of self-discovery. Lessons from her journey. Priyanka Chopra's life story is more than a tale of fame. It is a masterclass in reinvention and courage. Here are some of the powerful lessons we can learn from her journey. Resilience is everything. Priyanka faced rejection, criticism, and personal loss, but she never gave up. Her ability to bounce back stronger is what defines her success. Believe in yourself. Despite being an outsider in Bollywood and Hollywood, she carved a space through sheer self-belief and hard work. Embrace your identity. Priyanka never shied away from her roots. Her pride in her culture and heritage became her strength. Use your platform for good. She chose to speak about important issues and became a voice for the voiceless, proving that success can go hand in hand with social responsibility. Never stop growing, whether it was acting, music, writing, or business. Priyanka constantly sought new challenges. Her growth mindset kept her evolving. Conclusion. A global inspiration. Priyanka Chopra's journey is the story of a woman who dared to dream beyond borders, beyond expectations, and beyond fear. From a small town girl who once faced bullying and rejection, she rose to become one of the most recognized and respected global icons. She has shown that success is not about being perfect, it's about being persistent. Her story inspires millions to embrace their uniqueness, work hard, and rise above challenges with grace and grit. In a world that often tries to box people in, Priyanka Chopra broke the mold. She is not just a star, she is a symbol of hope, ambition, and relentless courage.